this video will demonstrate the parts you're going to receive when you purchase a 24-volt Transaxle kit. The tools necessary are a 6mm Allen head, a 1/2 inch box end wrench, a 7/16 socket, a 1/2 inch socket, and an impact. When purchasing this kit, you will see the various parts laid out on the table. You will not receive the tire. The tires are sold separately. We have various models you can purchase. Starting down here at the battery box, you will use your 7/16 box socket to take out the bolts from the top, all four. You'll have the battery box mounts that you can apply with slots for your height for your operation. Also, with the Transaxle, you have a left and a right mounting bracket with two mounting locations. Holes are already drilled. Make sure when you mount that this bar is facing outward. Flip your Transaxle upside down. Grab the mud flap. Place the mud flap on with the brake lever going through the desired hole and the wire harness going through the slotted hole. You're going to receive one nut and one bolt of each. Going through the bottom of the bracket and lining up with two slots on the mud flap. That is how you mount your mud flap onto your Transaxle. You will also receive 2 hubs and 6 bolts. The 6 bolts go to the hubs. On the back of our tires, we already have pre-threaded holes where the hubs and the bolt will mount. The hub is 2-sided, smooth on one side and has a slight step on the other. The stepped side will go down into the rim, aligning your holes. Then you can apply the bolt using your impact and 6mm Allen head. The hubs also have a keyhole slot in them, so once it is mounted on the tire, you just align the slot with the key on the Transaxle itself. After aligning, continue to put your nut on the Transaxle. You will also receive 2 Magliner stickers at your choice to place them wherever. A motorized Transaxle sticker that you can place on your Transaxle, a charging pack that will plug into your throttle so you can charge from a wall mount which plugs in here. The electrical is just a plug and play. Pretty simple, just 2 cords. Your throttle will plug into this square one. You'll hear a click to know that it's in. And your transaxle will plug into the other. You'll also hear a click to know that it is in. With that being connected, having your mounts connected to the top with the various depth of your operation, you will also receive 4 zip ties and 4 zip tie mounts to apply to your cart, and then you can zip tie the excess wire out of the way. Last but not least, when purchasing the cart, you will receive a thank you tag, congratulations from Magline, and if you scan this, it will bring up an installation and part diagram of what you have purchased. Thank you.